Unlocking the Mystery of Fill Ratio, a simple guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that can be a bit tricky: fill ratio. Let's demystify this term together, so by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Stick with us as we break it down. Fill ratio is a term that's not exclusive to one field. Essentially, it refers to the amount of space that is filled compared to the total space available. Imagine pouring water into a cup. The amount of water versus the size of the cup is your fill ratio. In language, we can use this concept metaphorically to describe situations where something is filled to a certain extent. In everyday conversation, you might not come across fill ratio frequently. However, it's used in specific contexts, like cooking, to describe how much a container should be filled with ingredients. It's also common in manufacturing, where it can refer to the amount of material in a product. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning. To get a real feel for the term, let's see it in action. Please ensure the fill ratio of the dough in the pans is consistent to avoid uneven baking. The engineer checked the fill ratio of the concrete mix to ensure the strength of the structure. Notice how fill ratio is used to talk about proportion and adequacy in filling something. And that's a wrap on fill ratio. We hope this explanation helps clear up any confusion and adds a new phrase to your English toolkit. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little pieces that make up the big picture. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.